Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to Archie's Corner if you are new here. In today's video, I thought of sharing some useful information about terrace waterproofing so that it will turn out to be helpful to some of you at least. So this is our terrace and we had laid tiles couple of years back. Now the issue what we are facing is that the tiles were getting removed from its base due to the change in weather conditions. So we wanted a solution to rectify it without removing the existing tiles and to make the tiles grout stronger. And when we inquired, we got to know about the brand name Zydex, which is one of the best brand for crack repair and waterproofing solution. So we bought the products and hired the laborers accordingly. Now the first day they started off by removing the existing tile grout and figuring out which tiles are loose. They are also changing couple of broken tiles and fixing new one using raw cement. The second day, they started the work by mixing xoxo Plus and Zydex Plus well. The dilution ratio is to mix 1 liter of xoxo Plus in 20 liters of water and 2 liters of Zydex Plus. Xoxo Plus is a water-soluble penetrative waterproofing solution. It is nanotechnology based and seals the surface up to a depth of 2 to 3 mm and provides long service life. Zydex Plus is an acrylic copolymer emulsion supplied as a ready-to-use bonding agent in liquid consistency. It is a versatile product and can be used as a cement modifier for repair of concrete slabs, balconies, beams, columns, floors and waterproofing of toilets, bathrooms and terraces. Xoxo and its diluted solution are non-flammable and easy to apply using paintbrush, roller or airless spray. It is ideal for making the roof and walls water repellent. The company also claims 20 plus years water repellency. Once the solution is mixed, it is poured in between the tiles joint. With this process, what happens is that this solution will get filled in the empty gaps under the tiles and it will form a strong bond with the tiles itself. The next day, they started off their work by mixing the tiles grout, elastobar and water. Elastobar is a high-performance elastomeric membrane for crack bridging. It features curing through cross-linking and is highly UV durable. The mixing ratio is 1 kg tile grout, 250 ml elastobar and 500 ml water. Once it's mixed properly, it should be applied to the tiles joint. This mixture will harden pretty fast, so the cleaning also needs to be done on time. And the main benefit of this is that it is pretty strong and UV durable, so the chances of breakage is very minimal. It took the whole day for them to complete the grout filling work. And finally, in the evening, we put water so that curing will take place properly. That's it for today's video, and the main motive behind this video was to share a helpful information which I found to be very useful and new to me, since most of us face these kind of leakage issues and this being the best waterproofing technique. You may get detailed information in their website in case you are interested to know more about the product. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.